Today we're going to continue to solve division word problems, but it's going to look a little bit different because yesterday when we were doing it, you didn't get a remainder. This time you will. Not only will you get a remainder, but you're going to have to interpret how to use and how to write that remainder. So let's get started here. Anna has 220 ounces of lemonade that she wants to divide evenly into 12 jugs. How many ounces should she put in each container? So we're going to go ahead and start. We're going to say 220 ounces divided into 12 jugs. Pretty easy start there. I'm going to do this with traditional division. I know that 12 can't go into 2, so I'm going to put a line there. Remember, does McDonald's sell burgers? Write it on your paper if you need. Starting with division. 12 can go into 22 one time, and I know that because I know 12 times 2 is 24, and that's bigger than 22. So 12 times 1, remember we're multiplying next, is 12. Now we're going to subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. And then bring down. If I don't know my division facts or my multiplication facts, this is going to get pretty hard. So I know that 12 times 5 is 60, and 12 times 12 is 144. So it's got to be in there somewhere. I'm going to guess that it's 12 times 8. So I'm going to work this out to the side of my paper. 2 times 8 is 16. 1 times 8 is 8, plus 1 is 9. There we go. That's pretty close to 100. So I know that 12 can go into 100 8 times. 8 times 12 is 96. And we're going to subtract and get 4. Now, we're not just going to put remainder 4, because let's go back and reread our problem. She wants to divide evenly into 12 jugs. How many ounces should she put in each container? So I know that she's going to be able to put 18 ounces in each container with 4 ounces left over. So those 4 ounces just aren't going to fit in any of the jugs because she wants each one to be exactly the same. This is what we mean when I say interpreting the remainder. I have to know that the answer isn't 18 remainder 4. The answer is 18 ounces with 4 ounces left over. Even though that sounds like a remainder, it's kind of different because your answer stays 18 ounces and we kind of forget about that 4 ounces because the problem didn't ask us about what was left over. Some of the problems will ask you what's left over, so make sure you're paying attention to what the problem is actually asking. These can get a little bit challenging, but I know you're up for it. In the next video, we're going to be working some of these out together.